In this video, we are going to learn representation of functions. A function may be represented by set of order pairs, table form, arrow diagram and graph. First one, set of order pairs. The set f is equal to set x comma y is the order pair such that y is equal to f of x. X belongs to A. Of all order pairs represent a function. Table form. The value of x and the values of their respective images under f can be given in the form of a table. That is known as table form. Arrow diagram. An arrow diagram indicates the elements of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrows. Graph. The order pairs in the collection f is equal to set order pair x comma y such that y is equal to f of x. X belongs to A are plotted as points in the xy plane. The graph of f is the totality of all such points. Next is vertical line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. While drawing the vertical line, it should intersect the curve maximum of one point, then it's known as function. Is the test for function. Type of functions, it's very important. One-on function. A function f from A to B is called one-on function if distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. The first example you can see. In A we have 4 elements. All the different elements have different image. Therefore, it's known as one-on function. The one-on function is also called an injunction. If for all A1, A2 belongs to A, f of A1 is equal to f of A2 implies A1 is equal to A2, then f is called one-on function. Can you follow this? If two images are equal means automatically the numbers will be equal. Are you clear? So, in general we can say A1 is not equal to A2 implies f of A1 is not equal to f of A2 for one-on function. Just I will write here. If A1 is not equal to A2, then f of A1 is also not equal to f of A2. This is the condition for one-on function. Next is many-one function. A function f from A to B is called many-one function if 2 or more elements of A have same image in B. Clear, children? In other words, a function f from A to B is called many-one if it is not one-on. The example you can see, 4 elements are there in A, 1 and 2 are having the same image. Therefore, it's not one-on. So, automatically which is many-one function. Onto function. A function f from A to B is said to be onto function if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. What is the meaning of that? Range is equal to codomain. Then all the elements should have pre-image in codomain. Just you see the example. Calls persons. 5 elements are in calls and person 3 persons. So no left out in codomain. That is the meaning of that. Here range is equal to codomain. So what's given? Every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in domain A. An onto function is also called a surjection. Other word of onto is surjection. If f from a to b is an onto function, then the range of f is equal to b. Next is into function. If it is not onto, it's into. That's all. A function f from a to b is called an into function if there exists at least one element in b which is not the image of any element of a. In other words, we can say at least one element of codomain is not supposed to have the preimage. That is, the range of f is a proper subset of codomain of f. In other words, a function f from a to b is called into if it's not onto. Bijection. If a function f from a to b is both one on and onto, then f is called a bijection function. Bi means two. It should satisfy both the properties or both the definitions, one on function and onto function. If both are true in a function, then it's known as bijection. A one on and onto function is also called a one-on correspondence. One-on correspondence means don't think it's one-on function, it's one-on and onto function or bijection function. You can see the example f from a to b. All the elements of codomain are having preimage or range is equal to codomain. Therefore, it's onto. Also, different elements of A or domain are having different images. Therefore, it's bijection. Next is horizontal line test. A function represented in a graph is one-on. If it is one-on, if every horizontal line intersect the curve in at most one point. Here the graph is given in red color. The horizontal lines are green color. In the first diagram, the horizontal line which intersect at only one point, that is P. Therefore, it's one-on function. Second one, the horizontal line intersect at 2 points P and Q. Therefore, the second one is not one-on. Like that, the third one, the horizontal line intersect at only 1 point P, which is also a one-on function. Some special cases of function. Constant function. A function f from a to b is called a constant function if the range of f contains only one element, that is, f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to a and for some fixed c belongs to b. Here you can see that example. In the example, all the elements of a are mapped with the same element of b. Image of A is 3, image of B is 3, image of C is 3 and image of D is also 3. Therefore, it's a constant function. Clear, students? Always in constant function, the range will be a singleton set. What is singleton set? Only one element. Here 3 is the only element here. That is the range. Second is identity function. Let A be a non-empty set. Then the function f from a to a defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a is called an identity function on A, and it's denoted by I of A. You can see the diagram. X goes to X, Y goes to Y, Z goes to Z. That is only given f of x is equal to x. Always, which will be defined from A set to A set, same set. A and B are same sets. Next is real valued function. A function f from A to B is called a real valued function if the range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers. What is the meaning of that? The range is the subset of R, that is f of A contained in R equal to R for all A belongs to A. That is known as real valued function. Clear, children? Exercise 1.4. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. First one. Suppose I am drawing a vertical line. Here, this line intersects the graph in 2 points. One is P and another one is Q. First one, it's very clear that the vertical line intersects at 2 points. Therefore, we can write here vertical line intersect at 2 points. Therefore, it's not a function. Second one. Now we can draw the vertical line which intersect this graph at only 1 point. Second, the vertical line intersect the graph at only 1 point. Therefore, it's a function. Now the third one. Here also I am drawing a vertical line. Here, this line intersect at 3 points, P, Q and R. Therefore, the third one, the vertical line intersect at 3 points. Therefore, it's not a function. Now the fourth one, you draw a vertical line here, you see here, which intersect at only 1 point. Now the fourth one, it's a function since the vertical line intersect at only 1 point. Second question, let f from A to B be a function defined by f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1. Given f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, here x belongs to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. This is A set, and the B set is given by 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Now we have to find the corresponding images. F of 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2. minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. For the second one, that is f of 4, which is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then f of 6, 6 by 2, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. F of 10, 10 by 2, that is 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Next is f of 12, that is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. First one, set of ordered pair. Here f is equal to set 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. This is the required set of order pairs. Table, the first one is x value, this is y value. Here I am taking 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Image of 2 is 0, 4 is 1, for 6 it's 2, for 10 it's 4, for 12 the image is 5. This is the required table. The third one is an arrow diagram. I consider two sets, one is A and another one is B. Here first set elements are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Second set elements are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. We have to write all the elements. Now it's very clear that for 2 the image is 0. Just you have to mark that by a arrow. Then for 4 the image is 1. For 6 the image is 2. For 10 it's 4. Next for 12 it's 5. Here 9 is left out. Now the fourth one is a graph. Here I consider x-axis, y-axis. Its origin x, y. Now you can mark the points with the help of the sets. X-axis, the points are, I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Here for y-axis it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. First point is 2, 0. Second is 4, 1. 4, 1, it's approximately here. Next is 6, 2. Next is 10, 4. Next is 12, 5. Okay, children, just you have to write all the points. It's 12, 5. This is 10, 4. Then 6, 2. 4, 1. 2, 0. Here the important one, you are not supposed to join all these points. Just you have to mark and leave it as it is. Third question, represent the function f. They given the order pair. Just you have to go for arrow diagram, table and graph. This I am leaving for practice. Fourth question, show that the function f from n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 on but not on 2. Given f from n to n and f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. The first set, that is domain, is n. So I am taking, when x is equal to 1, we are getting f of 1 is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Like that, f of 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. F of 3 equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. F of 4 equal to 8 minus 1, that is 7, and so on. Here, different elements of domain has different images from codomain. Therefore, f is 1 function. Also, range is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. This is not equal to n. N is the codomain. This is not equal to n. Therefore, f is not onto, that is into function. Therefore, we can conclude f is 1 function, but it's not onto. Fifth problem, show that the function f from n to n defined by f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1 function. Given f from n to n and f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3. First you find f of 1 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Then you find f of 2. 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 9. F of 3 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 15. Then f of 4 is equal to 16 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 23. Here, different elements of domain has different images in codomain. Here, different elements of domain has different images in codomain. Therefore, f is 1 function. Sixth problem, let a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is equal to n. Let f from a to b be defined by f of x is equal to x cube. Then, first one, find the range of f. Second, identify the type of function. Given a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. b is equal to set of all natural numbers. F from a to b and f of x is equal to x cube. Here f of 1 is equal to 1 cube, that is 1. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube, that is 8. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube, that is 27. F of 4 is equal to 4 cube, that is 64. First one, the range of f is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64. Second part, identify the type of function. Here x1 is not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Therefore, the function is 1, 1. Also, range is not equal to codomain, that is n. Therefore, f is into function. So it's very clear that f is 1, 1 and into function. Seventh question, in each of the following cases, state whether the function is bijective or not. Justify your answer. First problem, given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R and f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, which implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Therefore, we are getting 2x1 plus 1 not equal to 2x2 plus 1, which implies 2x1 is not equal to 2x2. You can cancel that one. Now you divide by 2, we are getting x1 is not equal to x2, which implies f of x is 1, 1. Clear, children? To verify the onto, let y is equal to 2x plus 1, which implies 2x is equal to y minus 1, which implies x is equal to y minus 1 by 2. Now you consider f of x, which is equal to f of, what is x value? Y minus 1 by 2. Now the f of x value is given as 2x plus 1, that is 2 into y minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here you can cancel this 2. This is equal to, we are getting y minus 1 plus 1 is y. Therefore, f is on 2. Therefore, we can conclude this is 1 on and on 2. Therefore, f is bijective. Second part, it's given f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x square. Second one, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x square. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R and f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, which implies what's given f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x square. That is 3 minus 4x1 square is not equal to 3 minus 4 into x2 square. Now we can cancel 3. It becomes minus 4x1 square equal to minus 4x2 square, which implies x1 square is equal to x2 square, which implies x1 is equal to x2 or x1 is equal to minus x2. In both the cases, this equation will satisfy. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. Children, here we have to verify whether f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x square is bijection. Bijection means one on and onto. Here already we proved it's not one on. Therefore, f of x equal to 3 minus 4x square is not bijection. Eighth question, let A is equal to set minus 1 1 and B is equal to set 0 2. If the function f from A to B defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b is an onto function, find A and B. Given A is equal to minus 1 comma 1, B is equal to 0 comma 2. The very important one is f from A to B is onto function. Also, f of x is equal to ax plus b. I am assuming let f of minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies you substitute x equal to minus 1, that is minus a plus b equal to 0. Next I am taking f of 1 is equal to 2, which implies in the place of x you put 1, that is a plus b is equal to 2. Now let it be the first equation and second equation. You can add both. If you are adding both, we are getting 2b is equal to 2, which implies b is equal to 1. When b is equal to 1, we are getting from the first one a is equal to 1 itself. This is from first equation. Therefore, we are getting, therefore, the answer is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. This is the required answer. In this video, we studied few type of problems. In the next video, we'll discuss another one type of the problem. Please practice the examples which is in this type. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video.